Hello guys and welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to backtest the simple and profitable trendline trading strategy by Trade with Pat. In the past we have already tested one of his strategy and it didn't work. Maybe this one will do. I don't know. So I remember you that if you want to test your strategy or you want more information about my software and you want to use it, write me an email that I will leave in the description of the video. But now let's talk about this strategy by seeing some examples. I will leave anyway is the link of the video in the description. So, for example, um, my software tells me that a position was opened at this daytime, a long position on the USD. So let's take a look. It was here. The conditions of this strategy. In order to open a long position, you have to check that at least the trend line is broken. You have only to check that. In order to check for the trend line, you have to check that a line touches the at least three clauses of the data. So, for example, it was here. My software tells me that it's here, broken of a trend line. In this case, it was as such as. The risk to reward ratio is 5 to 1 because I chose it arbitrarily because it didn't say a specific risk to reward ratio as well as a stop loss gap, and I choose to be the ATR, 1 ATR of the last close. The condition for sales for a short position are the opposite, but let's take a look. For example, my software tells me that a short position was here, so let's take a look. It is here. The trend line is broken, and here it was a big success. But let's see how it performs on thousands of trades. I have already wrote the basic condition, and as you can see, you would not have been profitable with the commission and without the commission. Very bad. Only on this symbol you would have been profitable because I only testing the strategy on these forex pairs, and yeah, in order to break even, you must have at least an average success rate of 16.6, and the average success rate in this case was here, and you would not have been profitable and statistically profitable as well. I have also tried to see if a more bullish or bearish strategy, but it seemed to not be neither of these two. And yeah, these are some trades that my software have taken. In order to backtest this strategy, I'm using the data from FXCM, and it is the one of TradingView, and I'm testing it on the 30 minutes time frame. The leverage that I'm using is a 50, so basically it is 50. But now let's see how my software calculates trend line. For example, here it was plotted the trend line. You can see the three touches of the close. But let's see another example, and let's go for example here, or this one, or this one as well. But now let's try to improve the strategy. In order to improve it, I have tried two criteria. One is to check for a DMP and demand crossover. If you don't know what it is, these two are two sub indicators of the X. Check it on internet if you don't know what is the X. And I, as you can see, you would have been profitable by checking it in the last 33 plus 1 candles because you have to add 1 to this number. And also for the sell trades. I tried also with MACD crossover criteria to filter the trades, but you would not have been profitable by like using the criteria of the MP and DMN. And yeah, so let's add this one criteria to my strategy. Code strategy, I want to say. No, no, it's not my strategy. To the code of the strategy. Okay. And now let's run again the strategy and let's see how it performs. Okay, let's read the results. As you can see, you would have been profitable. The number of trades is slightly greater than what we have seen but before while we were analyzing the data from the analysis file, due to the fact that I'm only taking one position at a time. So by reducing filtering the trades now uh, you can take more trades, and yeah, there is a time to take new trades basically. And as you can see, you would have been profitable, but not with commission. And as you can see, you would have been profitable as always without commissions, and not statistically profitable because the lower bound of our Gaussian distribution doesn't go past the average success rate break even. And yeah, so basically this strategy is not statistically profitable. So again, his video is not as good as it claims. And again, he only shows a few traits, and the fact that it's really annoying is that he says that he has a software to backtest it, but how he can backtest a strategy without static and arbitrary rules. I don't know how he can make it, but anyway, this strategy is not profitable. Let's try anyway on the test dataset that are the most recent data, and let's see how it performs. Okay, as you can see in the last recent data, you would not been have been profitable. So the average success rate is 16.37. That it is in the confidence interval we have calculated before, and yeah, that's good. And yeah, in conclusion, I would say that this strategy, as I told before, is not profitable and not statistically profitable. And yeah, if you want to backtest your strategy, or you want more information about my software, sorry, write me an email that I will leave in the description, and see you in the next video. Bye.